Welcome to Access Gate Pass Facility Management System. This video is about Invoice Payment Workflow Module. Invoice payment is a multi-step process. Timely processing of invoices goes a long way in improving your organization's reputation and vendor relationships. Invoice processing is a complex task, and doing it manually is outdated and error-prone. Every invoice needs to be validated for financial, legal and regulatory compliances like HR checks, quality of service provided, vendor evaluation, etc. Manual validation, by numerous people across multiple departments, is the prime cause for processing delays. Processing delays, regulatory, legal or compliance breaches, can be a big cost, financially and to the organization's reputation. It's time to switch to Access Gate Pass Invoice Payment Workflow Module. Bring in efficiency and faster processing time, improve accuracy and consistency, ensure adherence to company policy, contract terms, compliances and transparency. Timely process notification to stakeholders improves trust and transparency. Payment workflow process. You can define the complete logic and auto-generate service invoices periodically. Vendors receive a notification about the invoice generated in the system. A vendor can log in and verify the system-generated invoice. After verification, vendors can use the system-generated invoice data and upload their valid invoice with other required documents. The invoice amount cannot be higher than the system-generated invoice value. Invoice Initiator receives notifications of invoices uploaded by vendors. Initiator verifies the vendor invoice and processes it for the next level of approval. The invoice payment workflow continues. A custom workflow can be defined for each vendor and service type. You can define a workflow where, after the invoice is processed by the initiator, the HOD verifies, HR verifies, finance verifies, accounts verifies, and makes payment after everyone has approved. Vendors get notification from the application about the payment processed. Vendors confirm receipt of the payment. A no-due certificate is automatically generated on behalf of the vendor. The invoice initiator receives a notification about the completion of payment process. Adopt the automated Access Gate Pass invoice payment workflow, enhance efficiency, reduces errors, lowers costs, and have better control over the entire payment process.